Soft foods with vegetables for kids. Hello, kids. Today, we're going to talk about some tasty and nutritious soft foods that are made with vegetables, and they're perfect for your growing bodies. Soft foods are easier to chew and digest, helping you absorb the nutrients from your food better. First, let's talk about broccoli. This bright green vegetable is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium. You can enjoy broccoli as a tasty stir-fried dish, or even make a creamy broccoli soup for a cozy meal. Next up is cauliflower, another gentle on your tummy vegetable. Cauliflower is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great choice for healthy eating. You can roast cauliflower with some olive oil and seasonings for a delicious and healthy snack, or try cauliflower rice for a filling meal. Carrots are another soft food favorite, with a lovely orange color that kids love. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. You can enjoy carrots raw, baked, or even as a crunchy smoothie ingredient. Now let's talk about a fun vegetable, bell peppers. Bell peppers are full of vitamin C and B6, as well as minerals like potassium and magnesium. You can enjoy bell peppers in a scrumptious salsa, or blend them into a smoothie for a tasty, nutrient-packed treat. Lastly, let's talk about sweet potatoes. These yummy, root vegetables are rich in beta-carotene, vitamin C, and fiber. You can roast sweet potatoes with a sprinkle of salt and pepper for a healthy snack, or mash them into a creamy sweet potato soup. So, next time you're looking for a tasty and nutritious soft food, remember these great veggies: broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes. Enjoy them in your meals and snacks, and grow up healthy and happy.